Hey everyone, I'm Bill.
And I'm Wagner.
And we're with Cali Moto TV. Welcome back to the channel and welcome to the Ridge Raceway. Finally, here in Seattle, Washington, near Seattle, Washington. Actually, we're in Shelton, Washington. And well, we've been up here all week since our last track day at Thunder Hill. And well, we have the basic 4 collections here. Wagner's on the R3. And of course, the absolutely beautiful Evil Twin V2. I'm of course on the S1000R for the first half of the day, and then I'll probably jump on the Street Fighter V4S back there and run that for the rest of the day. So as always, learning a track. Now I've been here 6 years ago. Bogdan's never been here, but I'm gonna get out there on the S1000 and kind of relearn this track. They've made a few changes, nothing major. Got a little chicane down the straight. I can't do 190 miles an hour down the straight anymore. But so we're gonna go out this session and we're gonna learn the track, get comfortable with it. It's a little cold, still about 60, 62 degrees. It'll warm up to be 80, so don't worry, we'll pick up the pace later. But without further ado, let's get on the S1000 Single R and learn the Ridge Raceway here in Shelton, Washington. All right, you guys, well, here we are at the Ridge Motorsports Plex, whatever thingy, the jiggy. And we're heading out on our learner laps. So, as always, you guys know, heating the tires first. First, we're gonna stay right here, make sure that these guys can get by if there's anyone behind us. Quick look, and it's a learner. And so, this track is a little bit more technical. So, a lot of learning and a lot of blind corners. So there's a lot of guessing. So let's see if we can hook on with this guy. Nope. Definitely not up to his pace yet. Now I'm running in A group. Unfortunately, not too happy about it. I would have not picked this personally, but they were out of the B group, and for Wagner to get into the B group, I had to sacrifice my B group for the A group, and here we are. So one of the other things I gotta obviously learn with this track is gearing. And braking and corners. And of course the straight's pretty easy. So this is the new chicane, which I'm not familiar with. I'm really not familiar with the track anyways, because last time I was here was 6 years ago. And 6 years ago, you used to come blazing down that front straight like a bat out of hell. So a little bit of learning, So picking up on the cones, trying to figure out what the blue cones are. I think maybe that's the start of the break. I love their apex cones, very nice. Placed right in the middle, right where you should be hitting the apex. So I'm still a little scared on this one, not sure where the turn is. There we go. out and in on that one. Whew. Well, she's a learner, I'll tell you that much. This is a very nice track, but man, is it a little bit technical. I still got to figure this stuff out up here, because this one I think I got, because I can keep an eye on those cones. This one's a little bit blind, still trying to learn that one. So let's see. Thank you, sir. So let's see if I can keep pace with this guy and grab his lines. Nice tap of the tail. Thank you, sir. All right, so he stays in pretty tight here. Wide, flip this, go a little bit wide. Pretty crazy track. Very technical. I would say probably one of the more technical tracks. Technical big tracks. 2.5 miles. But not too bad on the brakes there. All right, so this is where I really gotta pay attention. So I can carry some pretty decent speed into here. I should be trail braking a little bit into that first little turn. I want to get up on him on this one. Stay to the right. So I will eventually end up in 4th gear through most of that higher speed stuff, but I think I need to go a little wider there. we'll get our final lap. Try to get a little definitely, I need to get a little bit more speed into that one. Pull that one in a little bit tighter. So I'm braking a little bit too early there. All right, well, we got some work to do today, guys. We have some work to do today. Ooh, baby. Well, Bogdan's got some learning to do. She is not, I don't think she's gonna like this. I'm not sure she's gonna like this at all. It's all right. Still trying to figure it out.
I was just expecting you to tip in. About that point, I went by.
Yeah, that's all right. It's all right. I was trying to grab a line. I think the R1 guy was giving me a little bit of line, and then, but.
Yeah, next time if you want to get led around, I'll lead you around a couple laps.
Where are you pitted?
All the way down, top left corner.
Okay. I'll come find you.
Cool.
Thank you. Well, you guys, well, there's our first session here at the Ridge, and whew, it is quite eventful. Let's just say that. It is a fun truck. Let's try to get in and help Bogdan out a little bit. Looks like she's doing pretty decent, getting ready. So track it all the way down, and then you'll come down. So just so you know, a lot of blind up on this side. Very, very blind on this side. So I would definitely grab somebody and have somebody go with you. I found some guy that was leading me around. It helped a lot. But once you figure out the blind and the lines, so good luck, babe. Well, off goes the V2 on his maiden voyage here at the Ridge. Maiden voyage on the S1000R. Pretty decent. I got to check tire pressures and fuel up a little bit more into this thing. But good first session. Thank you guys for sticking around, and stay tuned because this week we're going to have a whole week of track content. We'll obviously be on the S1000R. Hopefully I'll be able to do one session on the V2, maybe take the R3 out. What's really nice is how they do their stickers is pretty much, this is their sticker, so I can essentially ride any bike that's been tacked in my group, so that's very nice. So we'll be out on the street fighting and everything. But thank you guys for sticking around, and we'll see you guys next video here at the Ridge.